Yo guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today in this video we'll be learning how to download Sublime Text 3 editor. So if you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new to our channel, so you can never miss out any latest videos on our channel. So guys, now let's get started with today's video, how you can download Sublime Text 3 editor. And in my previous video I taught you how to remove this activate Windows watermark for a short period of time. And guys, if you like this wallpaper and if you are using Windows 10, it's very easy for you to get, because you can just go to the Microsoft Store and get this theme just for free. So now let's keep all things aside and focus on our today's video concept, how to download Sublime Text 3 editor. So now let's get started. So you can use any browser like Edge browser or Chrome browser. So I choose Chrome browser because it's much better than for Edge. So after you come over here, what you have to do is just type Sublime Text 3 download, and after that you should click on the first thing, www.sublimetext.com, and over here you can see download Sublime Text. You click on it, and as soon as you can see version build 3211, and it's also available for Mac OS X 10.7 or later is required, and Windows 64-bit and Linux for 64-bit and 32-bit turbo. So for us it's Windows operating system, so just click on Windows and it downloads here. Over here as you can see, Sublime Text build.exe. So it's totally 9.8 MB file, so it might take a while. So let's wait. So guys, now the Sublime Text setup has been completed downloading, and within a few minutes its installation setup will be open. So let's wait for it. Yeah, now it's done, and you can just click on it. So as soon as it's done, it will open automatically by its own. So guys, now this download has completed and the installation setup is going to start. So you can see over here you can see select destination of file location. So I have to just select the file location where I have to save this one. So I select local disk D Sublime Text 3, so click on next. If you want you can click on that, but no problem. So now it's ready to install, and after you're done without anything, just click on install. Within a minute or two, your Sublime Text 3 will be completed, and it's showing completing the Sublime Text 3 setup wizard. Setup has been finished by Sublime Text 3 on your computer. So now let's finish the setup and just open it and check it out. How does it look like? So let's just go to the start over here and type Sublime Text 3. As you can see, this app is already over here. Let's just open this app. So guys, as you can see over this is Sublime Text 3 editor. So guys, if you ask me Sublime Text 3 is better or Visual Studio Code is better, I would prefer Visual Studio Code is better. So it's much time saving, If you type the code like HTML in this, it doesn't close the tab automatically like how it does in the Visual Studio Code. So in Visual Studio Code, if you type HTML or any other tag, it closes it automatically. So as soon as you write the HTML, it shows /HTML. It's very useful and very time saving. And also guys, you know that I already made my previous video. It's 2 to 3 videos back, I think so. In that video I made how to download Visual Studio Code. So if you wanted, the video link is in the description below, so you can just click on it and watch it. And guys, to download Sublime Text, don't need to worry, I'm providing the download link in the description below, so you can click on it and just watch the video. So that's all for today's video, and meet you all in my next video. And I also hope you like this video. And again, if you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new to our channel. So meet you all in my next video. Until then, goodbye.